Hello friends, welcome back to Street Food YouTube channel. Today I am going to make spicy chicken cheese balls at home. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get more recipes and updates. Let's see what are the ingredients. Minced chicken 200 grams, mozzarella cheese, chopped mint leaves 1 teaspoon, chopped green chili 1 teaspoon, chopped ginger ½ teaspoon, chopped garlic 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt as per your taste, ½ cup breadcrumbs, 1 beaten egg, oil, red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon, corn flour 1 tablespoon. Now let's see how to prepare the mixture. Take a bowl and first take minced chicken, then pepper powder, add some salt and red chili powder, corn flour, ginger and garlic, then add mint leaves, green chilies, and then mix everything well. If the mixture is wet, you can add more corn flour to reduce the moisture. Now our mixture is ready. It should be like this. Now I am going to cut mozzarella cheese into equal pieces. Next I am going to prepare the balls. First you have to grease your palm with little oil. Next take small part of the mixture and flatten it. Place the piece of cheese in the middle and make into ball. You can continue the process for making rest of the balls. Next we will do the coating. First you have to dip these each balls in egg wash. And then in breadcrumbs. You have to prepare each and every balls like this. Now I am going to deep fry these chicken cheese balls. Heat a pan and add some oil. When oil is heated, you have to add cheese balls. Fry on low heat until balls turn into nice golden brown color like this. Fry rest of the chicken balls too. Now our chicken cheese balls are ready to serve. You also can try this delicious recipe at home and enjoy it. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for watching.